Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Learn Chinese fast. Basic conversations for daily life. Beginner friendly. Before we begin, let me tell you something important. You are not here to memorize Chinese. You are here to feel it, to hear it, to speak it naturally. And starting right now, your brain begins to adapt, without pressure, without stress, just listening, repeating, absorbing. And by the end of this, Chinese will already feel more familiar, more natural. So relax. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Let your mind open and simply follow along. We begin with the most important word, hello. In Chinese, you say, 你好. Repeat softly. 你好. Again. 你好. Good. Now let's continue. If you want to ask, how are you? You say, 你好吗? Repeat slowly. 你好吗? Again. 你好吗? Now listen to the answer. 我很好. It means, I am very good. Repeat. 我很好. Again. 我很好. Now let's build a small conversation. 你好. 你好吗? 我很好. 谢谢. 谢谢 means thank you. Repeat. 谢谢. Again. 谢谢. Good. Now let's continue. If you want to say, nice to meet you, you say, 很高兴认识你. Repeat slowly. 很高兴认识你. Again. 很高兴认识你. Now imagine meeting someone. 你好. 很高兴认识你. Feel how natural that becomes. Now, let's ask someone's name. 你叫什么名字? It means, what is your name? Repeat slowly. 你叫什么名字? Again. 你叫什么名字? Now answer. 我叫 means, my name is. Add your name. Repeat. 我叫. Good. Now let's continue with polite words. Please. 请. Repeat. 请. Again. 请. And thank you again. 谢谢. Very good. Now, let's use this in real life. If you want help, you can say, 请帮我. It means, please help me. Repeat slowly. 请帮我. Again. 请帮我. Excellent. Now let's learn something very useful. If you don't understand, you say, 我不懂. Repeat slowly. 我不懂. Again. 我不懂. And if you understand, 我懂. Repeat. 我懂. Again. 我懂. Now, let's bring everything together. Imagine a simple conversation. 你好. 你好吗? 我很好，谢谢。很高兴认识你。你叫什么名字？我叫请。我不懂。 我懂. Feel the flow. This is real communication. Simple, natural. And now, it is becoming part of you. Without effort, without stress, just repetition. Just listening. Just absorbing. Now, let's slow everything down. Let the words settle. 你好，你好吗？我很好，谢谢。很高兴认识你。你叫什么名字？我叫请。我不懂。我懂. Each word becoming more familiar, more natural, more yours. You are learning even now. Your brain is building connections, recognizing sounds, understanding patterns, and with every repetition, you improve, effortlessly, naturally. Now, take a slow breath and relax deeper. Let these words settle into your mind. There is no rush, no pressure, just calm learning and quiet progress. You are becoming more confident, more comfortable, more fluent. One word at a time, one phrase at a time. And this is only the beginning.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.